It's a little bit of wind, so it's fighting the wind, but it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Here we go.
Perfect.
Ta-da!
Here we go. For those of you who missed my previous video where I talk about unlocking your drone without a data plan, using your tablet with just Wi-Fi or your phone without a data plan, you may have missed my section with all the accessories that I will recommend you for the DJI Neo drone. So here we go. Let me show you all the accessories I like to use for my drone. And maybe you will find something useful for yours. Let's go! Here is the case that I got myself. I put, of course, a link on the description if you want to get the same one. But here we go. It has a nice pocket here to put the cable, USB-C cable, and some accessory that comes with the drone. So that could be nice here. Here is the place, where you can put your drone and some accessory in the bottom here. The drone fits perfectly here in this compartment. Here to recharge the drone, I put this Anker power block, which is a 65 watt. So what's recommended if you want to charge all the battery at once. This power block will be useful for you. So I have that. I also got a set of, here we go, lens filter, ND filter, etc. 6 pieces. I may need to do a test on those at some point, but here we go. A set of those ND filter and polarized filter, etc. for the drone. And of course, here you have the compartment where you can put your battery charger with your battery. And for you guys, you know, since you have multiple battery, it's good to put number on them so you know which one is depleted and which one is available. But in case you don't know, you still have a button on the hub that will tell you the battery status. So here we go, that fit here. This fit here, and the power block fits perfectly here and up. Everything in the case and ready to go on adventure.